Okay, so finally, we got, it's always a merry-go-round, Okay, so this thing's going to have everything will be complicated, right? So torque is I alpha. We're going to have to figure out our torque from RF, because torque is RF. We're going to have to figure out the alpha from suvat, right? And I believe, is this another, yeah, this is going to be another v squared plus 2as. Okay, let's see. And then we're going to figure out the I, and then we're going to have to use the formula I is 1/2 mr squared, right, to figure out the mass. That's what we're going to have to do. Okay, so let's see. 8.3 newtons, and that's the diameter. So what's our radius? Our radius is over 2. What is that, 2.15? How sad if I got that wrong. That'd be so sad. Of course, it's 2.15 meters, right? Okay, so now our torque is 2.15 times 8.3. Okay, so 2.15 times 8.3. I'm going to store that in F just for fun, 17.845. So that's this thing here. Equals I times, and now we got to figure out what alpha is. Let's see. Okay, so let's see, 45 times 2 pi over 60. So times 2 pi gives us radians per minute, divided by 60 is radians per second, right? So 45 times 2 times pi divided by 60 is 4.712. Right, and I'm going to store that in U just for fun. Okay, and then 37 rotations times 2 pi. This is radians per second. Times 2 pi. 37 times 2 times pi. Store that. I'm going to store that in S. That is 232.477. Okay, so now we're set. Now we, I think we don't use no t, right, again. So what is this? V squared is u squared plus 2as. And so 0 squared is 4.712 squared plus 2 times alpha times 232.477. Okay, so here we go, this guy. So alpha u squared divided by 2 divided by alpha s is, the alpha is small, 0.04776. 0.04. Right, I'm going to store that in A just for fun. Okay, so here we go. So F divided by A will give us I. Alpha F divided by alpha A is this. So 373.63 is what this is. Okay, so 3 is equal to 1/2 m times 2.15 squared. Right, so this is r squared. Now we're solving for m. Right, so I plugged this number into here, and for I got this number. Right, I is equal to this. Right. I'm using this formula, right? Since it's a cylinder, it's I is 1/2 mr squared. You got to look that up. I'm going to give them to you on the assessments for cylinders and spheres and all this stuff, right? Okay, so now we're set. So to get this, I'm going to multiply by 2, divide by 2.15 squared. I get 161.65. Eight. 6. Cool. That's kilograms. So let's see, did I get it right? Yeah, so we would say, I guess 162 approximately, right? All right, happy hunting. I would practice a ton of these problems because practice helps you get through all the little, how do you convert, right? Suva, and then, there's a certain thing that we tend to do here. Anyway, Good luck.